Thinking of diving into ACCA or already on your way of becoming a certified accountant, you're most probably wondering what is going to be after clearing all those papers of ACCA. Well, buckle up. We are about to break down the top 5 career paths that can shape your future with ACCA. Whether you're aiming for corporate finance, tax, auditing, or even consulting, there's a lot of opportunity that is waiting for you. Let's take a look at the next big move that could be. First up, we have got corporate finance and M&A. If you have tackled advanced financial management book, this is where your journey will likely take you to. Think of AFM as a gateway of understanding the financial strategy, risk management, and even valuation of companies. And all of these skills are widely used in the role which is associated with corporate finance and merger and acquisition. If you love analyzing financial statement, managing cash flow, or even strategizing how to maximize the company's worth, you're already well prepared. A role of financial manager or a corporate finance analyst or a treasury manager could be your in the future, where you can help companies optimize the financial resources, even manage risk, and also help them to take financial decisions. In M&A, you're looking at due diligence, valuation modeling, and even structuring the transaction to maximize the profit. If that excites you, then the role of investment banking or private equity firms will help you to land in the job. The top employers over here include major players like JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and BlackRock, where you will be in the midst of high-stake finance role. The salary benchmark starts from 10 to 30 lakhs in India. Globally, you're looking something at $70,000 to $150,000 per year. To take it a step further, CFA can help you to get a solid understanding about financial modeling, which can give you an extra edge in these roles also. The growth over here is almost steady. From analyst to financial manager to VP can be your role in corporate finance, and eventually you can also become CFO. And if you're in for a long haul, this career offers you a steady advancement. Second, if you have enjoyed the challenge of advanced audit and assurance, then the world of audit, risk and compliance might be your ideal next step. This is the realm where you will spend your days ensuring that the companies are up to the compliance level, both at locally and international regulation, and also testing their internal controls with the aim of identifying risk before they actually escalate. For instance, starting off as an internal auditor or an external auditor, you'll be working closely with the financial report, making sure that everything checks out is correct and in accordance with the law. If you've got a sharp eye for detail and a knack for following the rule, then this career offers you a tremendous growth opportunity. As you can dig deeper and you might get involved into SOX compliance, internal audit, and helping organizations implement risk management framework. The top employers over here are Big Four, which is EY, PwC, Deloitte, KPMG, as well as firms like Protiviti or large corporates in Indian sectors like banks and insurance. And the salary range in India is very attractive. It can start from 8 lakh to 20 lakhs per annum, and globally you're looking at something around $50,000 to $1,20,000 per year, depending upon where you're located. If you have the intention to boost your credibility, certification like CI, which is Certified Internal Auditor, or CISA, Certified Information System Auditor, will also help you to stand out, especially if you're aiming for a more senior role in risk management or compliance. Your growth path here can take you from an auditor to audit manager to partner and even CRO, Chief Risk Officer at large companies. There is a steady climb that you will have to get in terms of opportunity in this role and advancement. The third career opportunity. Let us talk about the taxation subject, where you learned about the advanced taxation strategy. If you really enjoyed it, then this is the area where you can actually enter into, whether it's income tax, corporate tax, or international tax. These skill sets will help you to land in this role that is more focused on taxation, cross-border structuring, tax strategy, and even compliance. If you're fascinated about cross-border implication of taxes or how tax treaties actually work, then the role of tax consultant or transfer pricing analyst would be a perfect fit for you. You'll be helping multinational corporations design efficient tax strategies that comply not only with local but also with international rules. The real challenge comes when you deep dive into areas like transfer pricing, global tax planning, or even understanding the impact of international trade agreements. The top employer in this particular role includes mostly Big Fours, and also there are roles in multinational corporations like Amazon, Global, Tesla, Microsoft, where you can become an expert in global tax landscape. In India, the salary range could be between 9 to 25 lakhs per annum. Globally, it can go from 60 to $1,50,000 per annum, depending upon what is the complexity of the role and also what is the location. To level up, consider certifications like ADIT, which is nothing but Advanced Diploma in International Taxation, or an LLM in tax law. Knowing your way around the tax automation tools can also help you to stay ahead of the curve. For growth perspective, you can start as a tax consultant, go to tax manager, and eventually rise as a director of tax or even the chief tax officer of large organizations. While preparing for your ACCA journey, if you have dived into the performance management subject and particularly into advanced performance management subject, you might want to explore strategy and performance analytics role. This path is perfect for those who want to work with numbers but focus more on efficiency, more on decision making, or improving business outcome. You will start as a business analyst or a performance manager and working to create and measure KPIs, optimizing business performance, or say guiding companies through data-driven decision. You'll find yourself assessing how well businesses perform and provide actionable insight for improvements. Roles like financial analyst or strategy consultant will require you to use this analytical and financial modeling skill set to solve complicated problems of the company. If you like working with numbers and creating strategy to boost business performance, then this is where you have to be. Top employers over here include global consulting firms like McKinsey, BCG, or even large conglomerate like Tata Group and Reliance. The starting salary in India typically ranges from 8 to 22 lakhs per annum, and internationally it can go anywhere between $7,000 to $1,50,000 per year. If you want to climb the ladder faster, there are certain certifications that you can do in this role, like for example related to business analytics or even Six Sigma related certification, which can help you to manage optimization in a very better way. You'll start as an analyst and then you'll move to become a performance manager, to a strategy lead, and even to chief operating manager or officer, chief strategy officer also. Now we're going to be talking about the fifth career path. If you are someone who is more interested into consulting and advisory related role, who consider themselves to be a versatile cross-functional path, then this is where you have to be. If you have tackled both financial management and advanced audit paper, this career might give you the flexibility to dip into several domains. You'll be able to apply your knowledge across a range of business issues, from merger to financial strategy to business transformation. In consulting, you might start as an associate consultant, working on everything from business process optimization to digital finance transformation. You'll be advising client on how to restructure their operation, optimize their finance, or even about how to manage their work. Roles like management consultant, business transformation advisor, or even digital finance consultant can be your starting point, offering a lot of room for you to grow across industry. The top consulting companies such as McKinsey, Accenture, BCG, as well as top corporate houses are the place where this is the role that you can get in. Salaries can be from 12 lakh to 30 lakhs per annum in India, and internationally it is around $80,000 to $1,50,000 per year. To add some extra value, if you can do certifications related to project management, which is PMP, or even get into certifications of Agile, it can help you to stand out better. Growth is rapid, from associate to consultant to director, and eventually becoming a partner in consulting firm. And there you have it, the top 5 career paths you could consider after completing your ACCA qualification, perfectly aligned with the papers that you've already studied. Whether you have chosen AFM, tax, audit, each paper brings its own set of opportunity and growth pathway. Your ACCA journey doesn't just end here with the exam. It's a door that opens a wide range of career opportunities. So take your time to think around that where you want to go and what is going to be your next step. It is all about leveraging and strengthening on developing your qualification, building a solid foundation for the next future. Which career path you're going to lean towards? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more such career related insightful videos that we're going to be coming up in the future. Catch you in the next one.